Hello guys, how's it going? It's Alonso over here. I'd like to give you a welcome to another tutorial for ArcMap. Today we'll be working with three shapes that I have just put on the description of the video. Please go ahead, download it, unzip them, and let's add them into an ArcMap layout. So the first one is analysis. Let's just select all of this. As you can see, this is a point. This is a point shape, Each of these points have a latitude and a longitude. This helps us put it right where it belongs. As you can see, this one is a list of crimes committed in Mexico City, and it was given to me by the Department of Justice. I downloaded from its web page, and it goes from crimes like violation, auto theft, armed robbery, and it's classified by hour, by type of crime, and it has the place where it's committed. The second and third shape we're gonna use, it's in the Mexico carpet. Let's just go ahead and open the add one and the ADM2. That's it. So first, what I'd like you to do is to hide this one, hide this one. This one is the shape from the vectors of the states of Mexico. It got Mexico City and the other 31 states of the country. So let's just click right in and select Mexico City, which is this shape, this little one, located right in the center of the country. And we can extract this shape, just this only polygon, just by right clicking over here, select data, export data, selected features. This is really important because if we put all features, it's gonna import or export all of the polygons, but we only want this one. So let's put it right in Mexico, like we had it over here. Let's put Mexico City. Mexico City. That's it. And as we can see, it had kept only the polygon of Mexico City. It got its information. It's called Distrito Federal as well, which is a common name for Mexico City, Federal District, which was like the former name. And let's click over here. And what we're gonna do next is to make a clip out of this vector, out of this polygon. We're gonna cut out the polygons inside of it. We will do a clip. Just go into Help Processing, clip, and on the input, let's put Mex ADM2. This means that we'll be cutting out this piece of information from the ADM2, and in the clip feature will be like the shape of the cutout. So let's just put it over here, and this will be the municipalities of our analysis. All right, municipalities. So that's it. Mexico City has 16 municipalities. It's the capital of the country, so it's a really, really big city. It has about 20 million people. So yeah, it's really big. And that's it. Now we have the clip only of our selected area. We can just go ahead and add this one. That's it. So as we can see, the points are all spread out throughout the city. As we know, Mexico City is quite big, so it has about 20 million inhabitants. So it's a lot of information to process visually. So what we're gonna do next is just select one of these municipalities. In this case will be Benito Juarez, which is right downtown of Mexico City, and start doing an analysis of just of this zone. so we can have less points, less data, and we have a more clear a more clear view of what's happening respecting crime, you know. So there are two ways in which we can do this. Let's just go on and click selection by attributes. When you do a selection by attributes, you tell to the program, hey, I'm looking for this place, it's located over here, and the program is gonna select it for you and put it in a bright blue color. So just click over here in municipalities, and as we can see, the name of the municipalities is located in name2. So click name2 equals and gets unique values. Let's do Benito Juarez, and as we can see, it got reselected. In this case, it got it in blue. Let's see it better over here. Let's put a rose. It's blue. So we can just extract this polygon by clicking on data and put in Benito Juarez municipality. Okay, and that's it. Let's put it above and erase these ones. Okay, so let's go on and do another clip. Let's put the points. This just to give you guys a demonstration that a clip can be made from points or lines or vectors. You know, it functions as a recipient. You know, you put inside something and the other elements go missing from the clip. So it's really handful, you know, when you're trying to make a more regional analysis without having all of the extra information, you know. So just let's put it over here and put clip crime. Okay, so that's it. Right here we went from a really small area, Mexico City, into the Benito Juarez municipality. And here we can do a classification of points. You know, let's start by knowing the type of crimes that occur the most at all values. You know, each one has a value. And right here, by instance, when we're working and trying to solve some kind of problematic, in this case crime, we can see that over here we have a really high concentration of points, as well over here, this kind of intuitive type of functions really help us try to make decisions when we're the planning department for security, the police department. You know, you can send more units over here, and this is just kind of a really handful tool. What I like to finish with is, let's undo the selection, and I'm gonna help you how to export all of these points into Excel, so you can have only this information relating to this polygon. So click on Arc Toolbox, Conversion Tool, Excel, Table to Excel, and just add this one. And over here, let's put a name for it. Let's put it in our carpet, Mexico, which will be around somewhere. Yeah, let's just put it here, Mexico crime. And right in the desktop. It's gonna take a little while. But it's gonna be over here. And as we can see, this list is more little than the complete. It's just 2000, which is a good number, a really small number. So this is the way you can you can transport or import information from ArcGIS into other surfaces, other programs that help you make more rich analysis out of the information. Well, that's it for today, guys. Please remember, if you have any doubts, just leave it on the comments and I will check it and try to solve anything that has come up or that isn't quite clear as we would like to be. So thank you, guys, and the next time we'll be checking a lot of this information, how to make a buffer or a union and a merge. So stick around and hope you have a great weekend. Goodbye, guys.